Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin today's story, take one small moment to support this channel by subscribing right now. This channel is dedicated to people who respect history, understand value, and know that sometimes the smallest things in life can carry the biggest secrets. If you're someone who has lived through decades, seen money change, watched coins disappear from circulation, then this video is made especially for you. Subscribe because what you are about to hear may change the way you look at every coin in your pocket forever. Imagine holding a single penny in your hand. Just 1 cent, something you may have used thousands of times in your life without thinking twice. You may have carried it in your wallet, tossed it into a drawer, or left it behind on a counter. But what if I told you that one specific penny struck in a specific year at a specific mint has become one of the most talked about and emotionally powerful coins among serious collectors today? A coin connected to American pride, hard work, sacrifice, and a turning point in modern history. Today, we are talking about the 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent, a coin that looks ordinary at first glance, but carries an extraordinary story beneath its copper surface. For those who remember the 1960s, this coin comes from a time when America was changing rapidly. It was a period of strength, tension, hope, and uncertainty. Men went to work with lunchboxes, factories were alive, families depended on every dollar, and coins were real money, not just numbers on a screen. The 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent was born in that environment, when a penny still mattered, and when copper had weight, warmth, and dignity. This coin was struck at the Denver Mint, identified by the small d beneath the date. That single letter may seem insignificant, but to collectors, it means everything. The Denver Mint was producing coins at massive scale during this time. Yet even in high production, subtle differences occurred. Those differences are what separate common coins from legendary ones. The 1964 D cent carries the image of Abraham Lincoln on the front, a man deeply respected by older generations for his honesty, leadership, and sacrifice. His portrait on this coin is not just decoration. It is a reminder of unity, struggle, and national identity. Turn the coin over, and you see the Lincoln Memorial. For men who lived through the era, this design symbolizes respect for history and the foundation of the nation. Inside that memorial, if you look closely, Lincoln himself can be seen seated. That detail alone shows the care and craftsmanship of the time. This was not a disposable object. It was a piece of America you could hold. What makes a 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent so fascinating today is not just its age, but its composition. This coin was struck during the final years when pennies were made mostly of copper. That copper gives the coin its rich color, its solid feel, and its lasting presence. Older hands recognize that feeling immediately. It is the feeling of real money, not light, hollow metal. Copper cents like this were part of daily life, and now they represent a lost era. But here is where the story deepens. Among millions of 1964 D pennies, there exist rare examples that stand apart. These are coins with exceptional strike quality, unusual surface characteristics, minting anomalies, or preservation so perfect that they appear untouched by time. Some show stronger details in Lincoln's hair and beard. Others have unusually sharp lettering. Some display unique textures, luster, or errors created during the minting process. These are not mistakes anyone noticed back then. They were simply spent, saved, or forgotten. Many older men today remember putting coins in jars, coffee cans, or drawers. Some saved pennies out of habit, not because they were valuable, but because waste was frowned upon. That habit, that discipline, is now what creates possibility. Because the most valuable coins are often the ones that were quietly kept and never cleaned, never altered, never disrespected. The 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent has become a symbol of that quiet wisdom. It represents patience. It represents the idea that value does not always shout. sometimes it waits. Over the years, as collectors studied this coin more deeply, certain examples began to stand out. Coins with perfect alignment, coins with rare die characteristics, coins with exceptional color and surface preservation. These are the coins that transformed a simple penny into a serious asset. For the 55 to 65 plus generation, this coin connects emotionally. It reminds you of buying bread, gasoline, newspapers, or candy when prices made sense. It reminds you of a time when 1 cent had purchasing power and when money had physical meaning. That emotional connection is part of what drives collector demand today. People are not just buying metal. They are buying memory, identity, and legacy. Serious collectors understand that condition is everything. A 1964 D penny that has been heavily circulated is common, but one that survived decades without wear, scratches, or damage becomes something else entirely. These coins are evaluated carefully, examined under magnification, and preserved like artifacts. Each tiny detail tells a story of how the coin lived its life or how it avoided life altogether by being stored away. Another powerful aspect of this coin is timing. The mid-1960s marked a shift in American coinage. Rising metal costs, economic pressure, and changing policies altered how coins were made forever. The 1964 D-cent sits right at that historical edge. It is one of the last representatives of a classic copper era. That makes it desirable not only to collectors, but to historians and long-term investors who understand cycles. Men who have worked hard their entire lives understand the value of things built to last. The 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent was built to last. Its survival into today's world is proof of that. While digital money comes and goes, this coin remains unchanged, solid, and honest. What truly elevates this coin into legend status is the market attention it has received in recent years. As more people search through old collections, inherited boxes, and forgotten jars, rare examples continue to surface. Each discovery fuels interest, speculation, and excitement. Stories spread, values climb, and suddenly, a penny once ignored becomes the center of serious conversation. This is not about luck. It is about awareness. Many valuable coins were never intended to be valuable. They became valuable because they survived, because they were different, and because people eventually recognized their importance. The 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent fits that pattern perfectly. For viewers watching today, especially those who lived through the 1960s, this coin is more than metal. It is a reminder that everyday life leaves behind hidden treasures. It encourages a second look, a slower pace, and respect for the past. It tells us that not everything of value announces itself immediately. As you think about this coin, think about where it might still be hiding. In old family collections, in boxes passed down through generations, in drawers that have not been opened in years. The idea that something so small can carry such weight is what makes coin collecting powerful. And now, after understanding the history, the emotion, the craftsmanship, and the legacy behind this coin, it is time to reveal the figure that has stunned collectors and captured attention across the coin world. The confirmed high-value example of the 1964 D. Lincoln Memorial Cent has reached an astonishing value of $311.01. 1100. This is why this coin is no longer just a penny. This is why history still pays those who respect it.